Good morning. Today is Thursday, December 5th, 2024. I am here at Drillington Creek Marina, and this is an inspection video of a 28-foot long Bayliner at slip W86. So the growth on the hull comes off fairly easier compared to the running gear, the trim tabs, and the outdrive. I would estimate it would take about 2 to 2.5 hours to clean this boat. As far as zincs go, of course this is a Bravo 3 outdrive. I believe we can also put our 3 trim tab zincs on the trim tabs, but I have not actually seen a spot or like a hole drilled for them because of so much growth.